Hi guys, welcome to the IMAM TV. Today we are going to show how to export your files from Google Drive to your phone or any device. So let's get started. So when you don't have Google Drive, you go to Play Store and find it. For us that have it, let's start with it. As you can see, here is our Google Drive. So let's press it is opening. So as you can see, this is our files that are in Google Drive. So when you want to take a picture, which is image bar, yes, you will press the image that you want to export from Google Drive to your device. Then after that, the image has opened, then you will press this 3 points. This 3 points that are at the right of then click, then you scroll down and comes to a place where writes downloads. Download, then press, then after that you will wait. You will scroll a notification in a place where you can see how it is working. As you can see, the image has been exported from Google Drive to our phone. So let's locate the file, which is image. So as you can see, that is the image that we have been exported from our Google Drive to our phone. So when you want to export another things, which is video, you will come back here, then comes to a place where your video are, then scroll down. Yes, here is our videos. So you can choose the one that you want to export. So then press, then wait. You will wait. The thing has opened. Then problem with file. Try again. Then after that you will press this 3 point again. Then and scroll down and comes again place to a place where wrote downloads. Then press download. As you can see, the thing is start downloading. On Android application development tutorial. It is downloading from our Google Drive to our phone or to our device. So as you can see, the thing has uploaded. The thing has uploaded, so that we can locate our file. That is locate file. Android application development tutorial has downloaded, has exported. So that is how you are going to do for each and every video that you want to export from your Google Drive to your Android phone or any device. So if that all, I can say thank you for watching. See you next time. For those that don't know how to import or upload their files to Google Drive, look for our next video that we have uploaded in our special YouTube channel, which is IMAM TV. Thank you for watching.